Welcome to the series, The 100 Chakra System, Negative Energy Release Work, Initiation 1. This is episode 4, part 1 of 8 episodes. And this is meditation 2, Ground, Center, Connect, Receive. The next podcast is the meditation. This is the description of the meditation. This podcast series is the accompanying material for the book, The 100 Chakra System, and can be found in part 4 of the book. You can find the link below in case you have not purchased the book. My name is Raven Shambhala, and I am a master energy healer, a spiritual counselor, and a senior yoga teacher. In this episode, I describe the energy body activation command, ground, center, connect, receive. In this meditation, we activate the energy body and begin running a positive flow of prana or life force current through the body. By placing conscious intention to these chakras and intending a directional flow, an energy current starts to move in the body. As energy healers, we are running energy. Running energy is a term I use to describe what happens when one consciously intends to turn on the flow of prana and direct the flow into the body. In this work, ground, center, connect, receive, and running energy have the same meaning. Memorize these words to activate the pranic energy flow pattern. Each time you say these words, the intended chakras activate, open, and flow in the direction you intend. First, we start by finding a comfortable position sitting down or lying down on a bed. You allow your physical body to relax and your mental body to focus on the sound of my voice. Kriya Breath 1, a simple breath, is used to still the mind and moves one inward and into a relaxation state. Close your eyes and start to relax. Imagine that the vibration of love surrounds your body. On the inhale, take love into your body. Breathe deeply into your lungs until they are full, and then hold the breath. Hold the breath for 3, 4, or 6 counts, depending on the depths of your lungs. While you hold your breath, focus at the point between the eyebrows. Suspend your thoughts while you hold the breath. Then, on the exhalation, allow love to expand around your body. Inhale, slowly take love into the body as you breathe. Pause. Hold the breath. Focus at the point between the eyebrows, and on the exhalation, imagine love is expanding around you in all directions. The word ground is used to activate the first chakra, the root chakra. Visualize this energy center activates and prana flows downward into the earth. Feel rooted. We use the affirmation, I am safe, I am grounded. The intended direction of the flow is downward and anchoring your energy body into the earth. The word center is used to activate the 4th chakra, the heart chakra. Imagine that the energy is flowing up from your anchor and into the heart chakra. This allows your heart center to open. We affirm, I am love, loving, and beloved. Visualize your heart opens and your chest blooms with light. The intended direction of the flow is upward from your grounding cord to the center in your heart. Next, intend the direction of the energy flow to move upward from your heart center to your crown chakra. The word connect is used to activate your 7th chakra. In yoga philosophy, this is known as the crown chakra, and in the Christian church, the chakra is known as the halo of white light. Imagine there is a white light around the top of your head and it is activated. From your crown chakra, imagine your divine center line continues moving upward. It moves up and up and up. Use the affirmation, I am full of love. I am full of light. The intended direction of the flow is from your crown chakra up to the level of your higher self. Now you are connected at the level of your higher self. The word receive is used to magnetize pranic flow and positive energies downward and into your divine line. Feel as if you're turning on a faucet and pranic energy is flowing down and down and down and into the top of your head. Imagine that your crown chakra opens to receive these positive energies. Receive whatever you need: love, patience, a release of anger, or healing. Allow that energy into your body and begin to feel pranic flow. Your body will relax. Imagine waves of light are moving through your form. Running pranic energy is soothing and a relaxing feeling. If you practice this meditation, you will train your energy body to activate and connect to your higher self and start to receive love, light, and joy. You simply intend to receive from your higher self whatever positive qualities that you need in your present moment experience. You can receive patience, courage, self-worth, motivation, simply by intending these vibrations into the top of your head and into your body. Memorize this catchphrase: ground, center, connect, receive. If you listen to the meditation a few times, you will train your energy body to activate and start to flow prana just by repeating this phrase: ground, center, connect, receive. Your energy body will automatically ground down, and energy will then reach up into your center in your heart. The flow will continue upwards to your crown and upwards again, up and up and up until you connect to your higher self. Next, positive energy flows down and back into your body. Receive what you need from Divine Source. In part 2 of this episode 4, I give a meditation you can listen to anytime to encourage running positive energy into your being. As your energy body learns the flow pattern, you can simply repeat the catchphrase and the energy body will know to turn on and start to flow. This energy flow pattern can be used while you're in meditation and can also be used while you're driving or if you are experiencing a stressful situation. Simply say the catchphrase. This will start the flow of energy. Even in the midst of a busy day, you can tune in and turn on the flow of positive energy. Join me in the next podcast for the relaxation meditation: ground, center, connect, receive.